Waterproof wood? Yeah, it's real. And the idea? It's over 1,000 years old. Back in Viking days, they figured out that burning the outer layer of wood, scraping off the char, and letting it cure made it tougher, lighter, and way more water resistant. Fast forward about 1,000 years. In the 1980s, US researchers started testing a cleaner version using just heat and steam. No fire, no chemicals. Turns out if you heat wood to the right temperature, without oxygen, and cool it with steam, it transforms. Europe ran with it. By the 90s, thermally modified wood was everywhere. Siding, decking, cladding, all made from real wood that didn't rot, swell, or soak up moisture. Builders loved it. Bugs hated it. A true win-win. So how's it made? We put real wood in a specialized kiln, heat it to about 380 degrees with zero oxygen, and let it cook for days. Then slowly cool it with steam. That's it. The sugars are gone, the moisture's gone, and what's left is solid, stable, waterproof hardwood. We've been doing this for 5 years now at our family-owned mill, using cypress, white oak, and our prized antique heart pine. Most companies use ash. We're a little more like the Vikings. We like to think out of the box. Thermally modified wood sands, stains, and installs like traditional hardwood. But it won't cup, warp, or freak out when moisture hits it. And no, we're not cutting down rainforests to make it. It's 100% real wood, made better, built to last.